In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a team member to your workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what information to provide, and how to set the right access so your teammate can jump in confidently. First, open your workspace and look to the left sidebar for the section labeled Team Members. This is the central place where you can see who currently has access and manage their permissions. If your interface uses a similar label like Members or Users, that's typically the same area. If you don't see it, you may need higher permissions to manage the team, so check with your account owner or administrator. Once you're on the Team Members page, head to the top right and click the Invite Team Member button. This action opens a simple form or pop-up where you'll add the details for the person you're inviting. Make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, just in case the invite window opens that way. Next, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Take a moment to double-check spelling and domain. Small typos are the most common reason invites never arrive. If your organization uses a specific company domain, use that address so access is linked to the right account. Most platforms send one invitation per person, so avoid generic distribution lists if you want individual access and accountability. Now choose the role or permission level for your new teammate. This determines what they can see and do inside your workspace. For example, some roles can view data but not make changes, while others can edit, create, or manage billing and settings. If you're unsure, start with the least access required for their responsibilities. You can typically adjust their role later as needs evolve, so don't worry about getting it perfect the first time. Just be intentional about granting only what's necessary. When everything looks correct, click Send Invite. You should see a confirmation or a pending status next to their email, indicating that the system has queued the invitation. From here, the process shifts to your teammate. They'll receive an invitation email with instructions to accept and join your workspace. Ask them to check their inbox and, if needed, their spam or junk folder. If they still don't see it after a few minutes, you can return to the Team Members page and resend the invitation from there. That's it. You clicked Team Members, chose Invite Team Member, entered the email, selected the right role, and sent the invite. Your team member will now receive an invitation email and can get started as soon as they accept.